Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Chapter 8 of Pronunciation and Conversation. Chapter 8 focusing on word stress in suffixes. We've moved on to Exercise 4 now, and Exercise 4 is practicing the suffixes, IC and ICAL, and we just saw in the previous page how those two suffixes essentially follow the same pattern as the suffixes ION and ITY, and that the primary word stress is going to be on the syllable that comes before the added suffix. It's essentially the same. So here we go with exercise 4. For exercise 4, it says to complete each word with the correct suffix that you hear, whether that's IC or ICAL. You can listen to track 78 on CD1. And so after you add the suffix IC or ICAL, one of those two for each of these words, go ahead and circle the strong syllable. And remember, it should be the syllable that comes right before the added suffix. So let's have a listen to CD1 track 78 and see if you can fill in the correct suffix for each of those words.
Exercise 4, A and B, page 63.
1. My brother is a mechanic. He fixes cars.
2. June eats only organic food. He thinks it's healthier.
3. I love cats, but I am allergic to them. They make me sneeze.
4. The firefighter was so brave. His actions were heroic.
5. This car is not very economical. It uses a lot of gasoline.
6. Tula didn't sleep well last night, so she doesn't feel very energetic today.
7. Martin exercises a lot. He's always been very athletic.
8. I like to watch romantic comedies.
9. That candidate doesn't belong to any political party. She's independent.
10. You have to complete the application. It's critical.
All right, very good. Let's look at the first few together so you can check your answers. June eats only organic or organical. Organical actually is not even a word, to the best of my knowledge. Organic is the correct ending to make this an adjective. June eats only organic food. He thinks it's healthier. Organic. Which syllable is the strongest? Organic. Organic. Gan. Gan is the strong syllable, and it makes sense because it comes right before the added suffix. So circle gan. I love cats, but I am allergic or allergical. Allergic is the correct ending. And again, you can listen to track 78 again if you need to double check. Allergic. Allergic. Which syllable is the strongest there? It's going to be the syllable that comes right before the suffix. IC, right? Allergic. Lur is the strong syllable there, and that's what we would want to circle. Let's do one more together. The firefighter was so brave. His actions were heroic. Heroic. And we know that IC is the correct ending suffix, and the O sound, O vowel sound, is where the word stress is, so we're going to circle the R-O. Heroic. Heroic. So you're seeing a trend here, right? That the second, or the syllable that comes right before the suffix is the one that carries the word stress.